dreamed of making video games for a living. And this lecture is going to be about how to become a game designer and what kind of skills you need for becoming and being a game designer. I will tell you a little bit about me and about our cooperative game company, Joensuu Games. And Tapani Toivonen is here to tell you a little bit about game programming and how to make learning programming a fun experience through gaming. Okay, so this is me. My name is Helu. I am originally from Lapland. I am a game designer. And this is a question a lot of people ask. How do you become a game designer? Jesse Schell is he's a famous game designer, and he has written this book called Art of Game Design. He gets to ask this question a lot, and his answer to the people is very simple. You just start designing games. You become a game designer when you start designing, so just do it. Go now and do it, and you can become a game designer. And some people do this, and other people, they have some doubts, and they are thinking that if only game designers can design games, and the only way to become a game designer is to design games, then how do I get started? So you might feel like Scott Pilgrim there with the bacon. It's hard. Jesse's advice is to start by saying magic words. And this is from his book. It's kind of a mantra he tells himself when he doubts his skills as a game designer. So there is a voice in his head that asks, "Who are you?" And he replies, "I am a game designer." But he's still not convinced, and the little voice is saying, "No, you're not." So he's saying it again with more confidence, "I am a game designer." And the little voice goes like, "What kind of a designer are you?" So he replies, "I am a game designer." "So you mean you play games?" "No, I do play games, but I am a game designer." So it's a good way to start by saying these magic words, and when you're doubting yourself, it may seem silly, and you might feel like a fraud. You might feel like, "No, I'm not really a game designer yet, even though I say this." But when people are trying to be something, they will become this. So back to this slide, I am a game designer, but I'm also a programmer. I am studying computer science in University of Eastern Finland. I am finishing my bachelor's degree this year. And I worked in a few game projects as a programmer, and I decided to found a cooperative company with a lot of dudes from Pelitalo Outokumpu, who are here as well. So we founded a cooperative game company called Joensuu Games. So So it's operating in Joensuu and in Pohjois-Karjala. I am producer in this cooperative game company. You can change this. Thank you, Tapani. So we have been active since